You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more English pronunciation. Encounter. Encounter. That's British English. Encounter in American English, however, is usually pronounced rather as encounter. Encounter in American English, or encounter in British English. It's easy, right? And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.